done.
Banshees! Yes! Man, this is just the best dune riding I've ever had at Little Sahara.
Well, hello everybody. It is day 2 at Little Sahara. Weather has drastically changed. We're down about 30 degrees. The wind totally flipped. It is crazy windy today, like 40-mile-an-hour gusts. So that'll be really interesting. Had some mechanical stuff that they've been wrenching on this morning. I'm going to be on the Raptor. Jake's actually going to be on my 450 because his Vortex is broken, unfortunately. And everybody's getting ready. So we're going to do some quad walk-arounds here and get ready to go out there.
What's going on with your radiator?
I don't know where it's at. I'll get that thing running here in a little bit, and I'll take it to the drags, and I'll at least be there.
Yeah, at least be there. Everybody's ready to go. Ian's waiting on a radiator. Jake is on my 450, and this is the first public announcement of the fact that that's now their 450. Been wanting to potentially sell it, and they are going to buy it. So, bittersweet, but also really cool to know that I'm going to still see that machine from time to time. So this quad was running a little bit better at the end of the day, and we're doing something I haven't done, which those guys suggested we run seafoam through it to see if the injectors need any work being cleared out. So our plan is to maybe go left here. Chad was going to kind of lead the charge. The wind feels insane. There goes Chad. We're all together. We're going this way. And it's helping a ton. Wow, that is awesome. I was bottoming out on these bigger whoops. So much smoother. That is really cool. Thank you for doing that, Ian. So much better. Woo-hoo-hoo.
more way over here.
If you want, you can make sure you're behind me so you're on bumper cam.
Oh, it would be cool to get a little of that. Yeah. Whoa. You good? Dude, he bit and flipped. I got it all on video.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You're all good? Dude, I was right behind you and I have all that on video. Yeah, it's on video.
What's got me, I was in fourth gear, I went to go drop down to first and it kicked me. I couldn't get back into power and then it just...
You almost saved it, but then you had an overcorrection and it chucked you.
Yeah.
I'm just glad you're okay because you were underneath that thing.
Oh, man, I'm all good. That was right.
Yeah, that was one of the gnarlier wrecks I've seen in a while. What's up? Oh, did you go over the top like me? Because I didn't want to go where Chad went, so I was like, I'll go to the right. I popped it and got some solid air over the top, and then, yeah, that was a bad idea.
A little too much fun.
I broke my rule there, or I broke the Dune rule there. You don't really do that. This is so crazy out here. We've like experienced full spectrum of this place all the years, all the different weather.
Man, I never seen it like this in here.
I know. Well, what are you thinking here?
Yeah, I think we stand the rails all on the side here for now.
Okay. Steve got stuck on the hill. Wow. I'm gonna get out the camera real quick. This is a cool spot. We got a little bit of wind coverage. Be hanging out at the hill shoots. Oh, here. Turn that on. I'll try to jump next to you. I'll go a couple quad links off to the side, but we'll go at the same time. go. That was pretty fun. Yeah, there's a hard kink there. That was about as fast as I could go comfortably. Yeah. This is crazy. Check engine light.
What?
Yeah.
Flashing or just on?
Just on. Check engine light. The last minute it just ran very bad.
Really?
Yeah.
How was it running the whole time before?
I've had moments today where it's ran awesome, then moments where it's ran like balls.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you take the spark plug at all?
We put a new plug in it, but we could try another new plug. I don't know.
You might. Worth a shot if we're running back.
I don't even know if it's going to go back right now.
You don't think it?
I don't know. We'll see what it does. If it's bad though, I'm not going to run it.
Yeah.
It's done. Well, people, the Raptor's hurting. I can't even give it gas.
Yeah, it hurt it definitely when you were just rolling off.
I just tried to give it gas. It won't go. She's done.
You blown up?
She's done. No, not blowing up.
It sounds like something with the tune.
Yeah, there's no point in pushing it, man. You cool with being rescue guy?
What?
I need Uncle Chad's help.
That won't run at all?
No, I just tried it. Power cut every time and it won't receive any throttle.
What you should do is disconnect the battery and reset it and see if it still does the same thing.
Yeah, and we were thinking about maybe even just checking the plug or who, but it's something's up with it. It's got to be electrical or something.
Yeah. All right.
I'll be here. Do they have a guy that can plug in and can read that code?
You can read it yourself.
Oh, is there a flash?
Yeah, it flashes.
Blink and then look up.
I don't know if it's flashing. I think it's just solid.
Turn it on.
It's not on. Oh, there it goes. Oh, 2, 3. Oh, fast flashes.
5.
So thankfully the check engine code ended up flashing. It was solid for a little bit, and the number ended up being number 15, which was for the throttle position sensor, and that seemed like it made a lot of sense because of how weird it was running at different RPMs and all the inconsistencies with the throttle. So we ended up towing it back and working on it later.
Feeling a bit relieved knowing that it's the throttle position sensor. At least that's what the code is throwing. There's no guarantees. hoping that we can source that locally. If I have to, I will leave after our little ride out. Jake is gonna have me ride the 450 for the ride out here, which is coming up, and then I'll leave and go to a dealership if I have to try to get the part. So I'm gonna kill the camera, and we'll catch you guys in a minute.
Before we continue today's video, I want to thank everybody for buying parts and merch on our website. I'm excited to announce that we added a Banshee shirt to our merch collection, so feel free to go on there and check it out. Plus, if you're in the market for any parts, we do sell products from Hauser, Precision, Hermosi, Rossier, DRW Protection, Ober, and these are all available on PeteHager.com. Now back to the video.
What's up?
Side beside you right at the gate. So we'll go out.
Oh.
We'll meet them there, and then
Do you want to kind of lead right now? I feel like you got a better
I
idea.
just want to get some of you guys ahead so I can film them.
Yep, so maybe we'll kind of play some cat and mouse, but maybe just get us going, and once we get rolling, we'll be good. There's Duneman. Right, we're gonna have a ride out. Got some followers with us, a couple other creators. It'll be really nice to ride something that isn't power cut. Looks like we got almost everybody. Banshees! Yes! Duneman's getting after it, dude. You want to go over there? We'll go over here. Good? Hopefully we all stay together. Do you have any interest in maybe going out and riding the big stuff?
Do that.
I think that would be good. Maybe we'll let everybody catch up for a sec. That was cool. out here. Back where we started. This is cool. So smooth. Not a lot of talking right now. Just savoring the craziness that is all this windy, smooth sand. That's pretty wild riding right now.
That's awesome.
I can't believe it. I just never thought I would see smooth dunes at this place. Wild. Figured we could make our way back through if we want to. Just go right back through it all the other direction. That's fun.
That was great.
I guess if we were going to stop, I could have stopped in the trees. Should we just move up a little bit?
Yeah, I get those trees.
Yeah? I don't know where to go. This spot seems okay. It's a little better here.
Here we go. These group rides, man. Unbelievable, man. The best dune riding I've ever had at Little Sahara. Looks like we're all together. That was sick. There. It's the best riding I've ever had out there.
That was awesome.
Yeah, just amazing riding. So nice. I couldn't believe it. And you got to be more in the back or in the middle, so you hopefully got some good footage.
I did.
Sweet.
I think.
Yep, you're still on, man. Well, I may cruise back and see if my group's at the trailer.
Okay.
I'm gonna at least say thanks to some of these guys for coming and
Yeah.
back here, we are gonna start the throttle position sensor hunt. So I ended up calling some dealerships, called the local parts stores, and nobody had a TPS sensor for a Raptor 700. So we just decided that we'll take a look at the machine later, and the rest of the group had already gone out riding. So I hopped on the 450 with a couple of the guys, and we tried to find them and went out exploring. We are hunting for the gang. I'm gonna record everything because you never know, but we may not find them. Untracked sand. Some moisture in spots.
blowing this is. Wow, so much wind. Wow. Wow, that is so dangerous.
We're gonna take him back. It's running kind of funny.
Okay.
And I'll probably roll around too much. You get us down, I'll just head back to the truck.
We might go back too, I don't know. There's Jim. Okay. Apparently the TRX was running weird, so they're gonna bring it back.
I might head back too for a while.
Yeah. I thought it had toned down a little bit. It's crazy how eroded the ridges are getting now. Everything's so wind blowing. We'll just probably go back to the parking lot. Okay. We're just gonna go back to the parking lot probably.
Yeah, we'll just ride that way.
We looked for you, but we sure didn't find you.
Chad had us eating whoops for about 45 minutes straight.
Oh, nice. You guys did the whoops ride. That's cool.
Okay, it has been an eventful day, some ups and downs. I've got the Raptor here. So essentially this thing will run right now, but it's spitting and sputtering at low RPM. We're gonna pull all the plastic off, trace all the wires, unplug, plug everything back in, and see if we can find an issue. Otherwise, this will just be kind of down for the rest of the trip. So that's the update. I also just wanted to say thank you to everybody that came out and rode with us today. It was super fun, and who knows, maybe we'll get lucky and the Raptor will get fixed here. Otherwise, I'll be on the 450 tomorrow. So we'll keep you guys posted.